and welcome to the Sovana at Stewart. Come on in and you can see our our two-bedroom, two-bath apartment called the Ambrose. This is one of our most popular models. When you first walk in, you see the beautiful kitchen here. Of course, the refrigerator, the ceramic stovetop oven. You see the microwave, also garbage disposal and dishwasher. All stainless steel appliances with the beautiful granite countertop, the pendant lighting, the track lighting. And then the kitchen opens up into our very spacious living room here. And the living room, and actually all rooms come with a fan and a light kit. And here are the hurricane impact slider doors, which take you right out to our double long screened balcony. So you can check out this fabulous view from the third floor. And plenty of room here for entertaining. And as you come back in, we're going to head over to the hall bathroom, otherwise known as the second bathroom. But before we step into the bathroom, you can see the hall closet. If we were up north, we would call it the coat closet. And then on into the bathroom, you can see the granite countertops. We have the same mocha wood cabinets. We have the linen tower. We have the step-in shower complete with the glass shower doors. And then stepping out here, we have the laundry. And it is the large stackable size washing machine and dryer. And then coming into the hall bedroom. And this would be your second bedroom. You can see the lovely railing here from the screened balcony area. Nice size closet here. And then we head back across the living room and over to our primary suite, or we could call it the ensuite. So when you come over here, you see the bedroom, complete with the fan and the light kit. Over to the walk-in closet. And the second bathroom with another step-in shower and the linen closet right here. And then the beautiful vanity here with a large glass mirror. And then coming back around into our living room. I would like to invite you today to give me a call. The Ambrose apartments do go fast. We never have too many to choose from, but I'd love to hear from you today. 772-208-7115. Talk with you soon. Bye-bye.